All right, so we just diced up our angel food cake, and I'm gonna go ahead and put all of that cake right into my large mixing bowl, just like so. Now I'm gonna add 3 large bananas that I sliced right into our large bowl with our angel food cake. And I'm gonna add some mini marshmallows. I'm gonna add about a cup of mini marshmallows right in there. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be such an easy and delicious no-bake dessert. You can bake your own angel food cake, but I personally love the store-bought one, so that's what I went for. Now I'm gonna bring in a second large bowl and a whisk, and I'm gonna start off with a large family-size banana cream instant pudding. Make sure it's the instant pudding. And with that pudding, we are gonna add 3 cups of our whole milk. Just measure that out super fast. 3, and make sure your milk is cold. Beautiful. Bring back our whisk, and we're gonna make sure that this gets mixed together perfectly. We wanna make sure that there's no little pockets of powder. We want it to be creamy, and we want it to thicken up. All right, that looks beautifully mixed. We're gonna go ahead and pop this in the fridge for just 5 minutes. All right, our pudding is set, and now we are gonna add 8 ounces of whipped topping. Now you can use Cool Whip, but this stuff is just as good and it's a little bit cheaper, so that's why I opted for it. You could also make homemade whipped cream with some heavy cream and powdered sugar, but this is gonna be super easy and delicious. And we're just folding in that 8 ounces of whipped topping into our banana cream pudding. And you guys know where this is going next. It is gonna go perfectly with that angel food cake, bananas, and marshmallow mixture that we have going. So let's make sure that this gets well combined. All right, we're gonna go ahead and bring our banana mixture, and we're gonna slowly get our mixture into our pudding Cool Whip. So we're gonna start off with about half of that, and we're gonna fold it in, and we're gonna keep doing that until we have our entire thing of angel food cake, bananas, and marshmallows in with our pudding Cool Whip mixture. Look how beautiful this all came together. Now you should probably use a bigger bowl than I did, but this is the biggest one I have, and this is ready. Now to serve this up, I want it to look extra beautiful for my guests, so I'm gonna grab these little champagne coupes that I love to pull out for special occasions. And we're gonna go ahead and fill these up with our delicious banana cream pudding. And we're gonna add some generous scoops on there so that everyone gets a little bit of angel food cake, a little bit of banana, a little bit of the marshmallow. Oh my goodness. Now you could add some walnuts to this. You could add some strawberries, but personally this is how I like it, and it tastes really, really good. I have one more thing to add some crunch factor to this, but for the actual base, this is what it is. I think I'm gonna do 2 scoops in each so that these look nice and full. Plus, you're gonna want 2 scoops of this delicious banana pudding. So for that crunch factor, we have some vanilla wafers, and we're just gonna grab a couple of these. Start off with like maybe 3 or 4 per serving, and we're gonna crush these right on top of our bread pudding. It looks like 1.5 is gonna be the perfect amount for each serving, but look how delicious these look. And now we have a yummy crunch factor on top of our delicious bread pudding. These are ready to enjoy. I cannot wait. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Ooh, I got a banana. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is so good. Wow.